My heart just got stuck between these loops.
Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We don't have an F30 video today, but this weekend we'll be taking you guys out to some car meets here in Washington State, and we will meet up with some friends and hopefully we get some good action. We're also planning on some performance mods, which is also in order. We have intake, inlet, a full M Sport bumper conversion, and a full catted or decatted Miltech or Akrapovic exhaust setup. So please let me know in the comments which one you think is the best, catted or decatted, for both either Miltech or Akrapovic exhaust setup. We'll be doing an installation together if that ever happens soon with all these shops being closed and stuff. But also, yeah, if you have any other ideas or mods you'd like to see, please post it in the comments below. And as always, I appreciate your support. Please like, subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified of the upcoming videos and giveaways. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Erebus_F30. We'll be doing giveaways there too, so there's plenty of opportunity for people to win different things. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you after the weekend.